Welcome to New This Week at EEWeb in partnership with Mouser, where each week we feature some new and interesting products. This week we'll cover a TI synchronous buck boost controller, Cree Gallium Nitride HEMTs, and a Maxim RS-485 micro PLC card. Texas Instruments LM5175 synchronous 4-switch buck boost controller regulates the output voltage at, above, or below its 3.5 to 42 volt input voltage while providing excellent load and line regulation. The LM5175 can supply Vout from 0.8 to 55 volts and employs valley current mode control for buck operation and peak current mode control for boost operation, with adaptive slope compensation stabilizing current loop operation. Switching frequency can be synchronized to an external clock or programmed by an external resistor with dithering set by an external capacitor to reduce peak EMI. The LM5175 is targeted at applications including automotive start-stop systems, backup battery and supercapacitor charging, industrial PC power supplies, USB power delivery, and LED lighting. Cree Gallium Nitride High Electron Mobility Transistors, or GaN HEMTs, provide wider bandwidth and greater power density than silicon and gallium arsenide transistors. Built on silicon carbide, Cree's GaN HEMTs offer higher efficiency, higher power density, and wider bandwidth, resulting in lower costs and enabling smaller designs. Devices are available with bandwidths as wide as 10 MHz to 18 GHz, gains up to 19 dB, and output power up to 510 watts. GaN's higher breakdown voltage, saturated electron drift velocity, and thermal conductivity are advantageous to power amplifiers of all types, especially in wireless communications, where the rapidly increasing number of devices requires more efficient use of resources and energy while still providing the highest quality of service. Maxim's MaxRefDes62 provides high RS-485 data rates and ESD protection in the credit card-sized micro PLC form factor. RS-485 communications are based on the half-duplex 42 megabit per second MAX 14783E and the full duplex 25 megabit per second MAX 14789E transceivers, each featuring 35 kilovolt ESD protection ratings. The transceivers are provided 3.3 volts of isolated power using the MAX 17498C flyback converter. Data from each is passed to an STM32F1 MCU through the MAX 14850, which provides 600 volts RMS of digital isolation. Communication with the host is handled through USB, which also powers the MAX 17515 that provides a regulated 3.3 volts to the STM32F1 and FTDI UART to USB chip. Maxim provides device drivers and example source code for the MaxRefDes62, which is intended for industrial and micro PLC applications, but suited to any application requiring high ESD protection and high RS-485 data rates. Thanks for joining us this week. You can find all of this week's products at Mouser.com.